Homecoming is
Aoche, ae.
Wela.
Movement.
Sengwa Biambe. Iwiche Manawe.
Nakomi.
Laughter.
Vision.
community.
Rejoicement.
Nourishment.
Indigenous.
Indigenous forever.
This is New Mexico State Senator Shannon Pinto. To all my Native American filmmakers, I appreciate this endeavor that you are taking upon yourself to express your creativity into this new era of technology and communication. I know my grandfather would express his appreciation to all those who work in this industry to support the Native American filmmakers on moving forward to giving light into the lives of our people and also educating our future generations and building a sustainable industry for New Mexico. Thank you.